Welcome to Byte-Size Data Science. When it comes to programming, we have a choice of multiple languages. We could consider all sorts of languages from C and C++ to Java. The TOB index can give us an indication of the most popular programming languages. Depending on what you are doing, your main programming environment may be with a language lower on the index, such as COBOL and Fortran, for example. In the context of data science, the languages that seem to always come back are Java, Scala, R, and Python, here listed as number 1, 29, 16, and 3 respectively. Also, a language like SQL, at number 9, could be considered complementary to the languages just mentioned. Still, this is not the full story. In the introduction to Spark video, we saw that popularity of programming languages changes over time. The trend seemed to point to Python as the preferred language. Other indications can be found in the general interest trend of Java, Python, R, and Scala in the US over a 5-year period. Here we see that Python is also trending up. The same can be seen in a similar interest trend, this time worldwide. The difference could be that data science has a wider adoption in the US compared to worldwide. Still, it is undeniable that Python has momentum. We can also look at popular machine learning libraries, TensorFlow, Keras, Caffe, and PyTorch, where 3 of them are written in Python. At this point, you should be convinced that Python is a strong contender for data science projects. What makes it so popular? One reason could be the philosophy behind the language. Beautiful is better than ugly, explicit is better than implicit, simple is better than complex, complex is better than complicated, readability counts. People familiar with languages like C and Java will adjust to Python quickly. The language also includes constructs for list comprehension, array indexing, and array slicing. These are just a few possible reasons why Python became popular. The other major reason why Python is here to stay is the large set of libraries that can be found in repositories such as PyPy that claims to include over 159,000 projects, and GitHub. Then there are libraries such as Matplotlib for visualization, Pandas for data analysis, NumPy for scientific computing, and many more. With this cornucopia of libraries, you are likely to find libraries that will help in significant ways in many parts of your projects. If you need one more reason to select Python, look back at the popularity charts. People are talking about Python. People want to work on Python projects. This may improve employee satisfaction and make your enterprise more attractive to new talents. One quick word on Python versions. Currently, there are 2 major releases, 2.x and 3.x. The 2.x branch was supposed to go end of life in 2015. This has been extended to 2020 to allow for more time to port Python libraries to the 3.x release. According to the Python clock countdown, it appears to be January 1st, 2020. That's less than 1 year from now. Go for Python 3.7. Does this mean that Python is the only language you will use in data science projects? Probably not. In my case, I also use Java, some shell scripting, and the use of utilities like sed and awk and SQL, for example. This is usually for incidental tasks, not for the creation of machine learning models. The Python ecosystem makes it a strong platform for data science. Take a look. See you next time on Byte-Size Data Science.